Bring the construction site to your home and build your imagination with the Top Race RC Excavator. The RC Excavator is a lifelike replica which moves and behaves just like the real thing. It's fully equipped with a motorized fork capable of lifting over 10 ounces, a 3-part full extension electric power arm, 680-degree rotation, and sturdy treads, capable of moving anywhere your job site takes you. The Top Race Excavator comes with an easy-to-use 15-channel remote control with a 2.4 GHz transmitter, allowing a controllable distance of more than 100 feet. Now you can move, lift, and be just like a real construction worker. If you can design it, you can build it. Become the engineer you always wanted to be.